How to fix Outlook login error after update. If you wish to fix Outlook login error after update, now depends upon what kind of login issues that you're facing. If you go to outlook.com or you're downloading the Outlook mobile application or you updated it to the latest version, let me try by going into the sign in page from the very top right hand side. Once I'm on the top right hand side, now I could simply enter the email address associated with my Microsoft Outlook account and just click on the next option. You should not get any type of login errors as long as your provided passwords are correct. So if the password or credentials that you provided are correct, you will be able to log in seamlessly into your account. But if you forgot your password, well, in that case, you could try clicking on the forgot your password button to follow up with the instructions and reset it. Other ways that you can sign in is by simply going to other ways to sign in. Over here, you can use your face, fingerprint, PIN or security key, approve sign in using a mobile app, or use your password like we did in this case. So I hope one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.